In today's video, I'll show you how to create product bundles in Wix to boost sales and increase your average order value. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and going to Store Products. From there, click on Categories and select Add New Category. This category will act as your bundle. Give it a clear name like Beauty Bundle or Starter Pack, then add the products you want included in that bundle. Choose items that naturally go well together to make the offer more attractive. Once your bundle category is ready, it's time to add a discount. Still under Store Products, go to Discounts and click Add New Discount. Choose Automatic Discount. Then select the bundle category you just created. Set your condition such as offering a percentage off when customers buy a specific number of items from the bundle. This discount will apply automatically at checkout, making it easy for customers. Next, make the bundle visible on your site. You can either create a new page or use an existing one. Add a product gallery and filter it so it only shows products from your bundle category. This keeps everything clean and focused. To finish, add engaging text and visuals explaining the value of the bundle and why it's a great deal. And that's it. You've successfully created a product bundle in Wix that encourages customers to buy more while feeling like they're getting extra value. Thanks for watching and happy selling!